Hi guys, I'm Sophia. If you're new to my channel, I want to invite you to the best, absolutely best walking tour and food tour in Hoi An. Let's go! Hoi An, Hoi An. Best. She's definitely the best. So right now we are continue from here by walking. She said I'm the best.
Oh, you are.
Just because it's so beautiful and the rain kind of stopped, so we are good to go. Yay!
Specialty drink in Hoi An is called malt drink, made by 10 different herbs. Cho chị 2 ly đi.
Okay.
Lotus, lemongrass, lemon. This is cam thảo,
Cam tao.
la hoặc hán quả. To drink this one with 10 different herbs.
Okay, perfect. This is lotus.
Lotus.
Oh, so this is for us?
Let's try.
Wow. Do they
Great.
put a lot of sugar in?
No, this is also natural sugar. Natural sugar.
So sweet. It's really rich in taste. You like almost, you think you drink lemon and then lemongrass. It's like a mix of taste inside your mouth. Love it. It's like I feel a lot of lemon taste, like a sugary lemon. Do taste the cinnamon, the lemon and the lemongrass. It's really, really strong lemongrass taste. Oh, let's do some alleyways. Having so good time that we forgot to pay for our drinks. We got drunk from this drink, so we didn't pay. Like they escaped. Yep. So this is perfect because this tour is basically we show you Hoi An not just by the food, also by people, a little bit shopping and a little bit secret pathways. So it's really, really cool. You should book her.
Thank you.
You should say your phone number or your Facebook name or something.
Okay, my Facebook name is Jackie Yim, and my phone number is 0905645745. It's also my WhatsApp number. You can connect me, and Vietnamese code is A4. Thank you.
Okay, so I will put on the screen the phone number in case you didn't hear very well. And I also will put her link in the description below and her phone number. So if you come to Hoi An and you want to get the best tour ever, you know who to call. Let's continue in this amazing tour in Hoi An.
Great.
Wait, it's a fake bird?
Hello, you know what bird?
Even the birds here are fake. Piton. Ah, this bird sit on my head. She sent the fake bird landing on my head. Okay. Good thing we have a good mood and we don't get mad on
correct,
anything.
yes.
Otherwise,
It's landing on your head.
it's landed on my head.
So, we are on the way to come to see Japanese bridge.
So do they sell these lanterns?
Let's sell this lantern.
Is it expensive?
I know they have small ones, like 30 or 40 something.
Oh, yeah, if we can find some.
Like $1.50 or $2. So anyway, we will continue the area out there. They have so many lanterns, so many choice for you.
Okay. The problem, I don't have money, so we need
So
to
I
find.
can help you to buy one.
Okay.
And when
Yes.
you can come and exchange.
Yes.
So, Japanese bridge.
This is Japanese bridge.
It's called Japanese bridge, but it's mixed between Japanese, Chinese, and Vietnam.
Oh.
So this one built by Japanese style when 200 years ago.
Yes.
Chinese, Japanese, because Hoi An is the international harbor.
Okay.
So many companies came here to make business.
Oh.
Because they came to Vietnam, came to Hoi An, they bought lottery and silk.
Lottery and silk.
Pottery
Oh, battery.
and silk that is famous from our style. So many people, many companies from many countries like Spain, India, Japanese, Chinese, many. We have big harbor here.
Okay.
So Japanese came, they built the bridge.
Okay. Should we walk inside?
Then we can come.
Let's go.
And they made it. is broth. And this one is octopus.
Come to Hoi An if you want to eat a fried frog. Okay, we just saw a frog. Okay.
And like
No, maybe I never tried it.
yeah. Dạ con bên Phúc Tour. This one rice powder, and inside it coconut, peanuts, and sesame, black sesame, like we ate before.
Yes, sesame, black sesame. Yes.
Like sesame. So this one, and she made with the
Like a canned milk, like
milk, yeah.
sweet milk. Yes.
and
Yeah, a little bit.
chút thôi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Little.
Okay. Oh.
It's like this,
Oh, she going to cover it.
like this one.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, so she's covering it. Wow. Come on. Oh, hot. It's so hot. Okay. So I'm going to try it. It's so hot, so I don't know how much I can try from it. Okay, let's try it.
How about that, Sophie? Sophia?
I don't know if I like it. I don't know even if I understand the taste of it. It's very interesting.
The main thing inside is coconut.
You taste the coconut.
Coconuts and
I don't know if I like it. But I eat it. Coconut grilled pancake.
Yeah, it's correct.
What I do taste is the peanuts. I like peanuts, so it tastes really good peanuts. Right now we're going to try the best coffee in Hoi An.
Yes.
I love coffee and I definitely want to try the best coffee in Hoi An.
Yes.
Let's go.
The best one
Yeah.
from Dalat.
Okay, let's smell it. Wow. Smells so good.
Is 100% Robusta espresso blend, 100% Arabica, very high quality.
Hoi An roastery coffee from seed to cup.
In Dalat, they are the best weather there to have the best coffee. South.
It's in the south.
Close to Saigon, it's far from Saigon, I think around 280 kilometers.
Okay.
So this one they chew for car or put inside toilet.
Oh,
Natural
just for
smell.
the smell.
Yeah.
Oh wow, yes.
It's cute. Cà phê cho. If you can wait, is the coffee come here. Like drink more hai ba yo.
I absolutely love it. Very, very tasty. It's actually strong to the level that I like it.
Yummy.
So this is the best place for cow lao. So nice. She wants to feed me more, but I don't want to eat anymore and I don't want to spend her money anymore. I'm so full. No. I trust her. Cow lao. Guys, when you come here, you have to eat cow lao. Yellow.
Now we stop at
And goes around and enjoy this polluted city. Oh. So this is cow lao ballet.
Khao Lao Ballet is also one of the best too. But
Okay.
the best of the one of the best khao lao in Hoi An. So to eat the bánh xèo or pancake, Hoi An pancake. So to eat rice pancake, you should have rice paper. What inside? So inside is meat and shrimp. It's in this one is from green bean, salad, kimchi, Hoi An kimchi, not Korean kimchi. Like this. Okay. Enjoy. Very very good.
How it's called?
Bánh xèo.
Bánh xèo.
Xèo. Yeah.
So I'm taking. Is it open already, or am I supposed to open it?
So I think this one.
Put this one inside. Then we open it. Okay, thank you. Salad, kimchi.
Salt and
Yeah.
chili.
Put a little bit meat.
Wow, you did a good job, Sophia. Like it.
Just a little bit. It's probably going to be so spicy now.
What do you think? Spicy or?
Very good. No, not spicy. This is egg. This is
And
not egg.
and outside little bit egg.
Little bit egg.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it does taste like a rice.
Rice powder.
Rice powder.
They made by this one. Cooking class tomorrow. Okay. Okay.
I think should be our last food for today, our last meal. I don't think I'm going to dinner. I think I had way too much food today. I enjoyed everything. Thank you so much guys for watching. And I hope when you travel around the world, you will experience walking tours or food tours. And I'll see you in my next video.